Christmas is here and you want to do lashes like this, like this, like this, but you don't have 50k, you don't have 30k, you don't have 40k like me, watch this video today. And this is a single DIY lash something something. I got it on Amazon. You can buy on AliExpress or you can buy in your local shops. You need a tweezer that you use to apply the lashes. This is the glue. When you buy the lashes, it comes with a bonding glue and a sealer, so you need this. I just packed my head to the back so I can see road. So you also need a mirror, so make sure the mirror is very close to you. Depending on the style you want, I want like a cat eye effect, but I want it to be very full, so I'm going to go with the longer ones, which is always at the bottom. Then I will work my way up to the shortest one, which will be here. So the longer ones will come from here and the shorter ones will get to this place. The first thing you're going to do is get the bonding glue. You are going to brush it up on your lashes, on your natural lashes. So you are going at the bottom, so you're brushing on the bottom of the lashes. So open your eyes wide. You're going to look crazy, but that's basically it. So open your eye wide and brush it on the bottom. Pick it like so. This is what it looks like. I'm going to apply it directly under. So you're applying it under your lid, so under. So you can see it's going under your eyes, so that glue is going to hold it with the air. This lashes obviously give a natural look, so I'm just going to be adding more and more and more till it's very full and beautiful. So you can buy the one that has a fuller effect just to get what you want. So I'm just going to apply that to the bottom. My kit came with 14 mm, but I used a 14 for the beginning, and I took a thicker one which was at the bottom, and I added the 15 to it, which made it very full. I've gotten to the front now, and I'm just going to use a smaller one at the top just to make it look nice. You know, if everything is long from the beginning to the end, it won't make any sense. So can you see the difference? I'm just going to do this off camera and come back. So I'm done with the lashes now, and I'm just going to apply a seal to it. So it comes with a seal, so the seal allows it to stay long as you like. So you can, and it also comes with a remover that you can use to remove it. So just apply the seal to the lashes like a mascara, so it makes it stay for a very long time. So once you apply the seal, you are good to go. And yeah, the link to the lashes will be in my bio, and you can shop it on Amazon, but I'm sure they sell in Nigeria too. But if you're not from Nigeria, you can shop on Amazon. You can get one of these kits from people that sell lashes and all they might have. Just do it at home by yourself. It literally took me less than 10 minutes to do, and I'm already done. So it doesn't take time. It's very fast, it's very sharp, no stress. Just fix it and you are good to go. And it lasts as long as the ones they are fixing for you for 50k. So buy this one, buy the kit, and you will still have much left. You see this, I've used it like 3-4 times, and it lasted me for like a week or more than a week. I was the one removing it by myself because I don't really like keeping lashes on like that. Are we not giving body? It's giving body now. It's giving body. So body on a budget, please. We don't have money to waste in 2024. Learn to do things by yourself. Learn to do your makeup by yourself, your lashes, your wigs. Learn to install your wigs by yourself. So if you want to learn more about things like that, follow me, okay?